عليكم جميعا. كيف حالكم اليوم? Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to a new lesson in our YouTube channel Speak Arabic Fluently in a fun and easy way. In the last episode, you learned the utensils in Arabic. In this episode, you are going to learn about the 5 senses. هل أنتم جاهزون؟ لنبدأ. Are you ready? Let's start. The first thing I want you to know is that it's important to believe in yourself, in your abilities. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Keep practicing, keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone because every small step you take will lead to bigger accomplishments in Arabic. So don't give up. Let's first learn what 5 senses mean in Arabic. Senses mean حواس. حواس. And how many senses we have? We have 5 senses. And 5 in Arabic means خمسة. خمسة. So 5 senses means خمس حواس. خمس حواس. The first sense that we will take today is the sense of sight, which means حاسة النظر. حاسة النظر. And which part do you use for the sense of sight? Exactly, it's your eyes. And eyes means عيون. عيون. So, I use my eyes for the sense of sight, which means أنا أستخدم عيناي لحاسة النظر. أنا أستخدم عيناي لحاسة النظر. For example, I use my eyes to enjoy the nature, which means أنا أستخدم عيناي لأستمتع بالطبيعة. أنا أستخدم عيناي لأستمتع بالطبيعة. The second sense is the sense of touching. It means حاسة اللمس. حاسة اللمس. And which part do you use? You use your hands. And hands means يدين. يدين. So, I use my hands for the sense of touching, which translates to أنا أستخدم يداي لحاسة اللمس. أنا أستخدم يداي لحاسة اللمس. For example, I use my hands to touch my cat, which means أنا أستخدم يداي لألمس قطتي. أنا أستخدم يداي لألمس قطتي. The third sense is the sense of hearing, which means حاسة السمع. حاسة السمع. And which part do you use? You use your ears. And it means أذنين. أذنين. So, I use my ears for the sense of hearing, which translates to أنا أستخدم أذناي لحاسة السمع. أنا أستخدم أذناي لحاسة السمع. For example, I use my ears to hear the rainfall, which translates to أنا أستخدم أذناي لأسمع هطول الأمطار. أنا أستخدم أذناي لأسمع هطول الأمطار. The fourth sense is the sense of smelling, which means حاسة الشم. حاسة الشم. And which part do you use? You use your nose. And nose means أنف. أنف. So, I use my nose for the sense of smelling, which translates to أنا أستخدم أنفي لحاسة الشم. أنا أستخدم أنفي لحاسة الشم. For example, I use my nose to smell the rose, which translates to أنا أستخدم أنفي لأشم الوردة. أنا أستخدم أنفي لأشم الوردة. The last sense is the sense of taste, which means حاسة التذوق. حاسة التذوق. And which part do you use? You use your tongue. And tongue means لسان. لسان. So, I use my tongue for the sense of taste, which translates to أنا أستخدم لساني لحاسة التذوق. أنا أستخدم لساني لحاسة التذوق. For example, I use my tongue to taste the food, which translates to أنا أستخدم لساني لأتذوق الطعام. أنا أستخدم لساني لأتذوق الطعام. Now it's time for the quiz. You have to choose the correct translation in English for each sense. The first one is حاسة السمع. Does it mean the sense of hearing or the sense of taste? The next one is حاسة التذوق. Does it mean the sense of touch or the sense of taste? The third one is حاسة النظر. Does it mean the sense of hearing or the sense of sight? And the last one, حاسة الشم. Does it mean the sense of taste or the sense of smelling? And don't forget, if you got the answer, drop it in the comments down below. We reached the end of our episode today. In the next episode, you are going to learn Arabic while sleeping. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, drop it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and see you again. إلى اللقاء. Bye.